Hi guys, it's Vice, and today I'm going to try something a little bit new on my channel. It's not normally a video that you would see, but if you like it, I would appreciate it if you could, let me know in the comments and let me know maybe something else that you'd like to see, any other things for stream that I might be able to see if I can make it cheaper. I'm always down to try new things. So I'm going to show you guys how I made a stream deck for $15 and it would cost around £13 in Great British pounds. So yeah, I use it on stream myself. I think it's a great tool. A lot of people from stream have been asking me to film this video, hence why I'm here filming it, because they want to try it out themselves. But it's really easy to make. It's really basic. By the end of it, you should have about 19 buttons that you can use for all different features. I use it for things such as switching between scenes. I can mute my alerts. I can control my music, like skip song, stop, play, volume up, volume down. You can do all sorts of things. You don't need any programming experience. We're going to use all hotkeys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But yeah, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to have to buy a USB number pad. They're pretty cheap. I got mine from Amazon. Bring it up here. You can pretty much buy any of them because we don't have to have a programmable one, because like I said, we're going to use hotkeys. I can show you the one that I got. I purchased this one, £12.99, which is probably, like I said, around $15 US. Yeah, so once you get it, or literally it's as simple as just plugging it in, and then I'll show you how to hotkey them. A normal Elgato Stream Deck is around £140, which is probably about $150 US. This one also only has 15 customizable buttons, which is less than what this £15 number pad does. So, that's more functionality there in itself, let alone the price difference. The Stream Deck probably took me around a total of 30 to 40 minutes to set up. Considering I have no previous experience of doing anything like this, I don't have any program experience or anything like that, so it's very simple and it's new user friendly. So once you've purchased your number pad, all you'll need to do is, if you open up your OBS, underneath the bit where it says under controls, there should be a settings tab, and then that will bring this menu up. There is a section for hotkeys, and this is where we will start to program our different buttons and our binds for what we want it to do. It's as simple as, you do have to have the num lock on obviously for this to work. If you want to disable the Stream Deck functionality, all you'll need to do is press the num lock, and that will basically turn the Stream Deck off. So let's just say I want to switch between scenes. So if I want to program to switch to my display scene, all I would do is I would click the appropriate number on the number pad of what I would want it to use. So because it's a USB number pad, it will display as, like, for example, if I press 1, it will show num1. So if you are gaming, for example, and you press 1 on your normal keyboard, it won't switch your scene, because it recognizes this as a different device. That is literally it. That is as simple as setting this up as it gets. That's as simple as it is. So you'll need to just go through and put the appropriate keys under which you want to do. You can mute your mic. For example, if I press 2, that will put number 2 on the keypad as muting my mic. Make sure if you want to use the same button to mute and unmute, you make sure you put them both like that, and then now when I press 2 on my number pad, it will mute or unmute my mic. There's loads of different things you can use this for. I can leave a list in the description of all the stuff you can, but for example on my stream I use it to mute my alerts. So I use Stream Elements. Stream Elements, you make your alerts into their own overlay. I can do a video on overlays one day if that's something that you would want. Let me know in the comments. And if you put them as your own overlay, they'll appear under this section, and you can actually use it to mute your alerts. Say for example, if you got hosted by a large viewer base and you were getting a lot of follows, but it was very big, very loud in your stream because you don't normally get that many follows, you can simply mute your alerts and it's not going to affect your stream. There's other things like I use it to transition between scenes. I use it to mute my desktop audio. I use it to mute my mic. I use it to change the volume of my music, so I can turn the music up and down. I can skip the song, I can stop and play the music. For example, I like to play music when I'm in lobbies, if I'm loading into a game, and then when I actually get into the game, I mute the music until I'm out of the game. That's how I tend to do it. So this part is the OBS part. That is as simple as it is. Now what I'll do is I'll show you how you can do it with your Spotify. So you'll need to download something called Toastify. I've got it up here for you already. What I'll do is I'll include the link in the description. But once you've downloaded that, it will look something like this. All you'll need to do then is go into Hotkeys, and again it is as simple as what we showed you before. You can untick all the ones that you don't want to use. Like I said, I use next track, play and pause, volume up and volume down. If you click on it, you can choose exactly what you want, and you can choose if you want to have a key do multiple functions. You can choose these that you would have to click at the same time. So for example, for next track, I click control on my normal keyboard and then press the back on my number pad, and that will skip the song. Play and pause is the control and then return button. Volume down is the multiplier button, and volume up is the divide button. These work cohesively with Spotify, because as you can see, if I went into the settings, they don't have any hotkey functionality within Spotify at the moment. I don't know if that's something they might bring in the future, but at the moment they don't have that, which is why Toastify comes in handy. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description for that. Obviously, by using this method, I've saved a lot of money. I mean, the price difference from $150 to $15 is insane. Even if it's something that you just start out with until you can afford a Stream Deck. Like later on, just because it looks pretty, I might buy a Stream Deck. But for now, this is more than capable of doing everything that I need to do on stream. It's an essential part of a stream setup, I would say. Just when you're in game, trying to switch between scenes or trying to mute your mic and this and that. Normally if you're gaming, you're in full screen. If you tab out and you're in something like a FPS game, you can get yourself eliminated. It's just something that you don't want. It improves the smoothness of your stream. It just also makes your stream look a lot more professional when you're not having to stop, pause, look away, and having to change, your whatever you're trying to change via OBS manually, when you can literally use this £15 or $15 Stream Deck to do everything for you. So guys, now you've hotkeyed your new Stream Deck and everything's working how you want it to work. Me personally, I have an extremely bad memory, so what I've done is I have used stickers. I mean, they're really simple. Stickers cost me 99p just to make a little key card, and the stickers also show me exactly what I've programmed to. So what I've done is here I've made a little key card with the sticker that I've put on the Stream Deck showing exactly what they do. Like I said, there's my different scenes, my game starting intro, all that sort of stuff. I've also got NVIDIA clips so I can clip stuff and mute my mic, mute my Discord mic as well. That's the exact same. You can literally just go into Discord hotkeys and do that. And this is what your Stream Deck should look like after. Like I said, extremely simple thing to make. I've just stuck the stickers on top of the keys so that it shows me exactly what it is and it matches up with the key. So if I ever forget what one key does, I can just go back to my little key chart that I've made. So guys, I do stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday at 3 PM GMT or BST, depending on what time of the year we're in. If you want to stop by and ask any questions, you're more than welcome to. If you want to recommend any videos that I should film in the future, any other things that you'd like to see on my channel, I'm always open to new ideas. Just pop along and ask a question or leave it in the comments down below. For the comedic value, I can start using that one a lot more. I can be like, what did you say to me, you little sh**? And back we go. What'd you say to me, you little I'm sorry that you're gonna have to watch this, that's all I'm saying, because I feel so awkward right now.